YouTube. So today we're going to learn about you have this problem that everything in your coding is right and still you get no data available into the data table of Bootstrap. So this problem probably occurred when you are hosting your application. It doesn't often occur when you are in localhost. So when you've already host your application, it is on the server. You just found that there is this message: no data available in the table. While when you are in localhost, everything was right. So first of all, in order to troubleshoot where is your problem comes, you just have to go into your SQL code is in your SQL code and find out that and look that if there is anything that is wrong. So if you seem to see it, nothing is wrong, you just have to copy this SQL code up to here. You just have to put it into the localhost and run it. Just have to put into this here SQL and run it. Go. If it doesn't execute, that's how you have to know that where the problem is. So you just have to know. So you just come here into a PHP admin in your localhost, and you find out that when you click a database that you are using, maybe this demo here is your database, going to SQL and put this code and run it according to your database. The SQL will execute. Sorry. So starting with where to find that the where how to find that where the problem is, go to your exact database, click it, go to SQL, paste your code, SQL code, because no that's available in the table here is due to SQL code. More probably it's more likely to be in your SQL code. So going to your SQL code, click your database, go to SQL, put your coding on your the SQL coding here, copy and paste it here, copy and paste it here, then click go. You just found out everything executed well, but where the problem comes from, when you are in localhost, first of all, in localhost, we don't care about case sensitivity. You look here, you will have S, that is capital S, and here there is a small s. You look here, there is P, that is small p, while when there is a greater capital P, there is no problem. The data is executed exactly. But when you are in a server or remote hosting, that when you put remote hosting is always case sensitive. When you put a larger P and a smaller P, the code will not be executed. So this is how you just have to know that this problem of no data available in the table comes from. So take your coding, take your SQL code, run it on your PHP admin on your remote server. Take it, run it there. You will see that the code doesn't run. So if it is run on localhost, it doesn't mean that it will run on remote server. So always test your code on a remote server before be sure that it will execute as it was in a local host. So thank you. I think you understand me well. The problem is always on this local server and remote server. Local server just doesn't take care of case sensitivity, but remote server always take care of case sensitivity of your SQL code. So thank you. I hope you have understand it well, and your problem of no data available in the table is already solved. So when we just refresh, you're just going to see that there is data right now, and no data available in the table is going. So thank you, and I will see you in another problem solving skills. Thank you and goodbye.